Hello, bird. This is our bird of checkers. Ain't he cute?
He's like, what the fuck? Why are you recording?
Now, let's show you what this bird is about.
He's like, what the heck? Why are you recording?
Ready? Come on.
He's like, seriously, why are you recording?
Come on.
Like, why the heck you're recording?
First, we're gonna show him a Frenchie fry.
I'm tossing him a fry.
No. I'm doing it. You want to feed him?
Yeah, it's okay.
You'll feed him by hand and everything?
Hell no.
Okay then. All right. Come on, bird. Oh, we lost the bird. All right. Come on. Come on. Watch. He will come for the cheeseburger.
Oh, you gonna give him pay?
What?
He's like,
See?
oh yeah.
He sees
like,
the bird.
Oh, hell yeah.
He's like, oh heck. Oh heck. Okay, first we're gonna show the fry.
He's like,
would you like the fry? Come on.
He's like,
He's like, no.
He's like,
no.
Fry.
I don't want no fry. Now, we're gonna take a piece of beef and watch the bird while I'm taking a piece of beef. Oh, he's like, oh. He's like, oh.
He's like, give me. He's like, oh yeah, give me.
He said, fuck the fry, give me the beef.
Yeah.
Now, we're gonna show a piece of...
Watch your profanity.
Oh, sorry. Now we're gonna give a piece of bread. You want bread? He's like, I don't want no bread. You want bread? He's like, I don't want no damn bread. I want beef. Okay. So we'll give him some more beef. This is a beef-loving dog. A bird. Not a dog. Okay, bird. You're gonna come in the freaking place. See?
Yeah.
You're like, oh yeah. He's like, that's what I'm talking about.
He's like, I will eat this today. He's like, oh god. He's like, too big.
I know.
Not fitting.
He's like, this is bull. You did it again. He's like, give me a moment here. He's like, I'm drooling if I had drool. He's like, damn. He's like, you did to me, cat. He's like, oof. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that.
Look at me. Aim the camera at me.
Now look. More? He's like, what? Yeah. Come on. Pubert. Come and get. Oh, you got cheese on his beak. Look at that, cheese on the beak.
He's like, that's a freaking beak.
He's got cheese on the beak. Come on.
Yeah, I'm over here and clean this beak.
I ain't gonna clean his damn beakification.
Oh, I have an idea.
Stop moving.
Give him bacon.
No, he likes the beef.
Bacon is meat.
No. He wants to stand over there. Oh yeah, you're like, feed? You want to feed me? He's like, feed me. Feed me some more.
Feed me some more.
Then we'll give him one more piece.
And then we drop.
And then we see? You want it? I'm gonna get it. He's like, oh yeah. He's like, oh yeah.
Like,
oh yeah. Damn! Look at that, he got cheese up on his face. This is an American bird in Dania Beach. Dania Beach, Checos. Oh yeah. Look at that. He's like, you sure you don't want a fry? You want a fry? Want a fry? Do you want a fry? He's like, see? Look, fry.
He's like, I don't give up.
I don't mess with fry. Look at that. He's like, fry, I'm out. Yeah, look at him. He's steady staring at the freaking beef. You want a fry? Want a fry? No? You sure? You sure?
He shook his head, yes.
No, he shook. No, the fry right there. He's staring. Look at him. He's staring at the beef. You're like, give me that. I want that. Give me that. He's like, let's do this. Let's do this. Come on, fry. No, okay.